Hello, and welcome to another episode of Smoothie Quest. Today's smoothie is called Be Bedazzled.
Ooh.
Yeah, so hoping we are impressed.
It's got an interesting look to it. It's like, I don't know, it's neat.
Pepto-Bismol.
It hits hard.
Wow.
It's,
Reminds me of like key lime pie.
yeah. And it's sweet and, good. Hold on.
Oh, I actually like to drink it. It's like, even though it's got a punch, you want to drink it. It'd actually make a great cocktail. This
is like the key lime pie of smoothies, I think.
Yeah. It's like key lime pie with strawberry frosting. Wow, it's sweet. The agave balances out the lime really nicely.
Like I'm almost like going like puckering my lips, but it's sweet enough that it just stays, just prevents that.
Yeah, I find I also keep going after I drink it because it's like that's sour. I expect it to be sour on my lips.
I could probably be good with like this much, and it would be like a nice dessert smoothie, I guess.
I'm okay with it.
I feel a lot more awake now. I feel also like my face is sweating a little.
That's the sign of a good smoothie.
There's maybe too much though. It may be like it's strong. I don't know.
It's a sipping drink.
Mm.
Well, I'm bedazzled.
Yeah.